Welcome! Today we're talking about things you should know before getting a guinea pig. But before we do, tap that subscribe button so you won't miss any enlightening pet content. Now picture this: a tiny, cuddly creature with soft fur, bright eyes, and a charming personality. No, it's not a kitten or a puppy. It's a guinea pig. These adorable, sociable pets have won hearts worldwide. But before you bring one home, there are a few essential things to know. First, understand that guinea pigs are social animals. They thrive in pairs or small groups, so consider adopting more than one to ensure they do not get lonely. But remember, always house guinea pigs of the same sex together, unless they've been neutered or spayed, to prevent unexpected litters. Guinea pigs require a specific diet to stay healthy. They need a daily supply of hay, fresh water, a small amount of guinea pig pellets, and a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables. Guinea pigs can enjoy romaine, green leaf, and red leaf lettuce, but avoid iceberg lettuce as it lacks nutrition and can lead to diarrhea. Next, consider their habitat. Guinea pigs need a spacious cage with a solid bottom to prevent injuries to their delicate feet. Fill the cage with a thick layer of bedding for them to burrow in and provide hiding spots for them to retreat to when they feel threatened. Guinea pigs also require regular exercise. A large, safe play area outside the cage is essential for them to stretch their legs and explore. But remember, they are prey animals, so always supervise their playtime to ensure they are safe from potential dangers. Healthcare is another important aspect. Regular vet checkups are crucial to monitor their health, as guinea pigs can hide signs of illness. Grooming is also important, particularly for long-haired breeds, which require daily brushing to prevent matting. Lastly, remember that guinea pigs have a lifespan of 5 to 7 years, sometimes even more. Make sure you're prepared to commit to caring for them for their entire life. They're not just a pet for now, they're a pet for life. Before we wrap up, remember that every guinea pig is unique. They have their own personalities, quirks, and needs. Spend time getting to know your guinea pig and build a strong bond with them. It's a rewarding experience that will bring you endless joy and companionship. That brings us to the end of our guinea pig primer. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of what it takes to care for these delightful creatures. Remember, a well-cared-for guinea pig is a happy, healthy guinea pig. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon for updates. We'll be bringing you more informative content on a range of topics, so you won't want to miss out. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.